Hello once again. In this video I will show you how to block newsfeed from social media, so you can get social media messaging and so on and without feeds, and you will find codes instead of feed that you're gonna be distracted with or scrolling without even notes after time and so on. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the Chrome extension. You just type Chrome extension, and then when you find the first thing you just type it, and then here you will type news feed indicator. This one, this is the extension that we are using today. Here is some screenshots how it's gonna be the newsletter, the news feed of social media. For example, Facebook, you will get your message and so on. Instead of scrolling feed, you will find how wonderful is that nobody, it's a random code instead of the feed. So after adding to Chrome, you will find the icon here. It's a newsfeed eradicator, and then you type it here. You will check which social media you want to block the newsletter, the newsfeed. Excuse me, of that social media to keep focus and you're not distracted with infinity scrolling and so on. I hope you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.